Yo, what is up guys, Thompson here, back again with a new video. On today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys on how to get any modded outfit without the transfer glitch. So you guys can get white joggers, blue joggers, juggernaut, invisible body parts, checkerboard, any modded outfit you guys want, you guys can do with the direct mode glitch, and you lose 0 outfits. And if the glitch does work for you, I'd appreciate if you drop a like and subscribe with notifications on for money glitches and modded outfit videos like this. And also guys, make sure you guys go in the comment section, comment that the glitch did work for you, so that people won't try this glitch when it's gonna work and they can do the glitch for themselves and get many modded outfits in GTA 5 Online. And yeah guys, let's get into the video. Now guys, the first step you guys want to do is just head over to the time trial for your week. Okay, now every week the time trial does change locations. So for me this week, if you're doing this glitch for this week, the time trial is right here in this location right here. So but if you're watching this from a week from now, like in a week or a month from now, the location will change. Okay, so just pull up your map and then look for it. Okay, but for this week it's right here. So I guys want to do is head over to it and then start up the time trial and then head over to the story mode. Okay, so all you guys want to do is head over to the time trial and just start it up and then go to story mode. Now guys, this part is just the setup glitch, is part of the glitch. You don't need to do anything else. You don't need to change your clothes or anything. This part is just to set it up. Now all you guys want to do now is pull up your interaction menu and head over to director mode. So there you go, we are in direct mode now. Now I'm gonna just remove my shortlist actors right now because most of you guys should have like this thing grayed out. So I'm gonna just remove this character right here. Okay, so all you guys want to do is head over to actors, come over to online characters, and all you guys want to do is just shortlist your GTA Online character. Okay, so for me it's my GTA Online 1 character, so I'm gonna shortlist him. And all you guys want to do now is come over to your animals, and all you guys want to do now is shortlist any animal of yours. Okay, it can be a bird or anything. Okay, doesn't matter what. And if you guys don't know where to get the bird, I have a link in the description showing you guys on how to get it. Just watch that and then come back to this video once you have the bird. So all you guys want to do now is when you start switching them up and down, the birds should duplicate. Okay, well not right now, but as you guys can see, the birds are not duplicating right now because this part is the setup. Okay, so all you guys want to do now when you have the bird and your GTA Online character shortlisted, all you guys want to do now is just quit to story mode. Quit to story mode. Now once you guys are in story mode, all you guys want to do now is just pull up your pause menu. Okay, just pull up your pause menu and then come over to online and head over to an invite only session. Now once you guys are in online, all you guys want to do is just head over to any gun store. Okay, just head over to whatever gun store. So I'm gonna just head over to this one right here. And I had to speed this part up because it did take me a while to get here. Okay, so once you guys are at the gun store, all you guys want to do is come over to this wall right here. Just press right on the D-pad and then come over to outfit standard and pick that effortless outfit. Okay, just pick this outfit right here. Now once you guys have picked it, come over to styles, come over to accessories, and all you guys want to do is just remove the glasses, come over to hats and put on a forward facing cap. Okay, it can be any forward facing cap, it just needs to be a forward facing cap. Okay, that's it. Now come over to the cashier right here, and all you guys want to do is purchase a parachute. Okay, so now come over to styles, a parachute right here, and just turn it on, and there you go, you're done now with the outfit. Okay, now all you guys want to do now, once you have the outfit looking like this, you just want to head over to your time trial. Okay, for your week. Now once you have arrived, all you want to do is just come over here and start it up and then go back into story mode. Okay, so you just want to do the same thing that you did like in the first one. Okay, so now once you are in story mode, pull up your interaction menu again and then head over to direct mode. Okay, so pull up your interaction menu. I actually pressed pause. Pull up your interaction menu and come over to direct mode right here. Now once you guys are in it, all you guys want to do is just come over to your shortlist actors. So shortlist actors right here, and all you guys want to do is when you start switching them, you should see that bird or whichever animal you're using should start duplicating. Okay, so I'm gonna switch him again, and down now you should see 2 birds. Okay, and then when I switch it again, there should now be 3 birds. Okay, so 3 birds right here. Now basically all you guys want to do is keep on switching this keep on doing this same exact gesture until your GTA Online character is on top of the haystack. Okay, so now this takes about like 20 minutes to do. What I recommend to do is just put a rubber band on your controller and just go do something else until the time finishes. Okay, that's what I did. I just put a rubber band on my controller, leave, and then do something else, and then come back in like 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, so you just want to keep on duplicating your birds until your character's on top of the haystack. So this is how it should look like when your character's on top of the haystack. Once your character's on top of the haystack, just press B to back out. Now come over to actors, come over to beach bums, and all you guys want to do is just press X to change appearance. Now guys, if this here does happen to you, like the you don't see the model outfits, you just want to come back to shortlist actors, switch it a couple times till your character is back on the haystack, and then once he's back on the haystack, press B to back out, come over to actors, beach bums, and all you guys want to do is just start pressing X, and then you should see you get modern outfits. As you guys can see, first outfit I got was blue joggers, checkerboard, Tron pants, whatever mod outfit you guys can get with this. Okay, now the only thing about this is you need to find an outfit with a Christmas mask. Okay, now you guys can do the freeze mask glitch, but for me, I cannot time it at all, so I recommend not. Well, you guys can do it. As you guys can see, here's an outfit right here with a Christmas mask. I just shortlisted that one. So yeah, if you guys do want to freeze the Christmas mask, it would be really easy to do, but the timing is really hard. Okay, so if you want to go ahead and do the freeze mask glitch, you guys can go ahead and do it. Just look for a tutorial on how to do it. But if not, all you guys gotta do is find an outfit with a Christmas mask, and then yeah, and you guys can switch through all of these categories. Okay, all you guys want to do is keep on pressing X to change the appearance, and then if you like an outfit, all you guys want to do is press shortlist it. On Xbox it's Y. I'm not sure which button is on PS4. I think it's triangle, not 100% sure. I think it's triangle on PS4 when you find an outfit. So I'll be right back when I have one. So all you guys want to do, so here you go, I found this outfit right here with the green joggers and invisible arms, and I really like this outfit, so I'm gonna just go ahead and shortlist it. Once you guys have shortlisted your outfit, all you guys want to do is press B to back out. Okay, so press B to back out, and now come over back to shortlist actors. I'm gonna remove this outfit right here, the one with the red Gorka pants. I'm gonna just remove this one because I don't like it. And plus, like, this outfit right here has green joggers. I was like really lucky to get this outfit because I got it like in my 20th or like 25th outfit. So you guys want to do now is come over to your outfit and just press A on it. So basically all you want to do for that last part is when you go on top of the haystack, come over back to your outfit that you want to pick, and once you're on the trailer, press A to select it. Okay, and then you should just see your character somehow hover from the haystack to your trailer, and then now you should be in direct mode. If you guys look at the top right, it should say direct mode. Okay, so all you guys want to do now for this part is just wait about a couple seconds, like 10 to 20 seconds. The more time you wait, the better it is. Okay, so basically this part is to save the outfit. So you just want to wait a couple seconds until your outfit saves. Now when you have waited the time period, all you guys want to do is pull up your interaction menu and quit direct mode. Okay, now if the outfit you picked had a Christmas mask and you did it correctly, you should have that same outfit in story mode. As you guys can see, the top right corner does not say direct mode no more because now we are in story mode. Okay, so all you guys want to do is do the same thing, wait a couple seconds, I recommend 10 to 20 seconds to be saved, just to let the outfit save. Okay, so you just want to wait a few until the outfit saves. Okay, and the more time you wait, the better, the higher chance of it like transferring over to online. Okay, and guys, make sure the outfit you pick must have a Christmas mask. Okay, now so once the time period has ended, you just want to come over to GTA Online and then do an invite only session. You guys can pick a public or an invite only session, but because I'm recording a video, I'm gonna just pick an invite only session. Okay, so here we go, I just loaded it in. Now all you guys want to do when you have loaded in, you should have the outfit. Okay, now guys, sometimes you do pick an outfit and then you just load in with the same effortless outfit. If that does happen, the reason why it happens is because two things: the outfit may have something blacklisted on it, or the outfit did not have a Christmas mask if you do not get the outfit. But if you do get the outfit, you are good. All you guys want to do is come over here and save it. Now once you guys save it, you are not done yet, because now you have to add a couple more things to it. Okay, So if you just like save it and then you leave the game or something like that, that outfit will disappear. Okay, to fix that problem, all you guys want to do is add a couple more hats to the outfit, do some couple tweaks to it, like add a parachute or whatever, change the shoes up or something like that, and then just save it. Okay, so I'm just go ahead and do that right now. I'm gonna come over to styles, accessories. I'm gonna just put a couple stuff on the outfit just to save it. So I'm gonna just put an earpiece, some glasses on, and a hat, and then I'm gonna just save it. Okay, like guys, this part is really important. Make sure you add a couple more extra stuff to the outfit, because if you do not and you do find a new session, or you just like leave GTA Online and you come back, the outfit may disappear and you may not get it back. So make sure you add a couple stuff to the outfit, like hats, glasses, and some stuff like that, and then you should be good and the outfit will not disappear. And you guys can literally do the glitch again, go back to this time trial, and then just keep on doing this glitch over and over and over, and you guys can get hella mod outfits. As you guys can see, I got green joggers with invisible arms, and this whole outfit is like changeable. Okay, you guys can change the shoes, the tops, the pants, but I recommend not to change the pants because it's like green joggers. So guys, if this glitch did work for you, I'd appreciate if you drop a like and subscribe with notifications on for more videos like this, such as modded outfits and money glitch videos. And also guys, if the glitch did work, go ahead in the comment section, comment that the glitch did work for you, so other people can try this glitch when it's gonna work and it's not no fake BS. And yeah guys, Tom Zine signing out. Peace.